Striking the perfect balance between power and handling, the FE 350s is an exceptional dual-sport machine. Powered by a new engine, which is positioned inside a new frame to centralize mass, together with the new WP XACT suspension, handling and overall performance are much improved for 2024. Complete with a fresh, Swedish-inspired look and assembled with premium components throughout, the FE 350s ensures exceptional comfort throughout extended time in the saddle. Engine. The FE 350's engine is designed to deliver maximum performance. Tilted 2 degrees backwards to further centralize mass, all major engine components and shaft arrangements are positioned to enhance overall handling and improve the anti-squat behavior from the chassis. Weighing just 62.1 pounds, 28.2 kilograms, the 350 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine is incredibly efficient. Cylinder head. The FE 350s features a DOHC cylinder head engineered to deliver performance and reliability. Internally, the layout features a new camshaft with low-friction DLC-coated finger followers ensuring minimal friction. Together with the lightweight titanium valves, 36.3mm intake and 29.1mm exhaust, strong and controllable power is delivered throughout the rev range. Cylinder and piston. An 88mm bore cylinder and forged bridged box-type CP piston combine to create a compression ratio of 13.7:1. As a result, the low oscillating mass delivers strong and controllable power. High-strength aluminum is used to manufacture both the cylinder and piston, with both components professionally engineered for outstanding performance and reliability. Crankshaft. The crankshaft is optimized for high performance and overall reliability with long service intervals of 135 hours. This has been made possible by using a plain big end bearing that features two force-fitted bearing shells. Exhaust. The exhaust system is expertly designed to deliver class-leading performance at the lowest possible weight with the header pipe manufactured in two pieces. This design allows the header pipe to be removed without having to remove the rear shock. Further innovation allows for a short, compact silencer without increasing sound levels. The silencer is crafted from lightweight aluminum and stylishly finished with a black coating to highlight its premium quality. Bodywork. Adorned with clean, Swedish-inspired graphics, the bodywork offers advanced ergonomics allowing riders to perform at their best for extended periods of time. Adapted after countless hours of testing, the contact points and surfaces in the rider triangle offer exceptional comfort on the motorcycle. A flat seat profile offers unrestricted movement with a high grip cover ensuring riders stay firmly in place under hard acceleration. Above the side panels, recessed pockets allow for the machine to be lifted and moved quickly and easily. Frame. The proven chromium molybdenum steel frame is refined for 2024. A new shock mounting, which is no longer connected to the main tube, significantly improves the anti-squat behavior of the chassis. With optimized wall thickness in high-stress areas improving reliability, the frame continues to offer advanced geometries and flex characteristics aimed at providing unparalleled rider feedback, energy absorption, and straight-line stability. The frame is complete with a premium metallic blue powder coating with redesigned standard frame protectors offering improved grip in all conditions. Additionally, the redesigned and robust skid plate offers exceptional frame and engine protection. Electric start. The proven electric start system uses a compact and lightweight Li-ion battery, which is 2.2 pounds 1 kilogram lighter than a conventional battery. With several years of experience in developing and perfecting electric starting, the reliability of the electric start is second to none and ensures a quick and easy starting in any situation. Additionally, the wiring harness and electrical components are safely located below the seat for easy accessibility. US MSRP price, $12,599 Canada MSRP price, $C dealer for pricing in CDN. Europe/UK MSRP price, £NA GBP, on the road Inc. 20% VAT. Thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.